Hi, TRS students. Welcome to week 6. I hope all of you had a restful winter break. Moving into week 6, as you learned in the English 101 side of things, we're moving into the analysis unit. Again, analysis simply means breaking things apart to see how they work together. So pay attention to what's happening in English 101 this week to get a grasp on what I mean by analysis. You have video lectures in the Monday folder and in the Wednesday folder that are going to help you understand the beginning of this next unit. Okay, so pay attention to those. Make sure you download Andrew Simmons, The Danger of Telling Poor Kids that College is the Key to Social Mobility. That PDF is in the English 101 Monday folder and in the Wednesday folder. So you have two options to download it to your computer, to save it to your desktop or whatever. Learning activity number 4 will be due on Wednesday of this week. Learning activity number 4 is going to help you with metacognitive thinking, which is thinking about your own performance or thinking about thinking, so to speak. Okay. I want you to assess yourself and kind of your capabilities as a writer and your experience with the summary essay. You'll be looking at content, task, and strategic knowledge. Content knowledge is basically your capabilities as a writer. Okay. What kind of experiences do you have as a writer? How do you grade yourself as a writer? Task knowledge is looking at the task in front of you. That was the summary essay. Was it difficult? Okay. This was the essay you submitted just before break. And then strategic knowledge is how you might improve from your summary essay to your analysis essay, which is your next essay. Okay. What strategies might you employ to better prepare yourself to do well on your summary or on your analysis essay? Maybe you'll start a little bit earlier. Maybe you'll seek some help from me, whatever it might be. Okay. Think of a couple strategies and write those things down and submit that in learning activity number 4 Dropbox for Wednesday. Okay. Thursday, you have the analysis essay instructions right here. Okay. Also, you have the video instructions right here. What I want you to do for learning activity number 5 is summarize Andrew Simmons's thesis statement. His thesis statement is the final paragraph of his article. Again, the article is located in English 101. Okay. The final paragraph of his article basically states that we need to teach our most marginalized students that college is about an intellectual awakening. That's basically his thesis statement. I want you to summarize that. Again, it's located in the final paragraph of his article. And then I want you to choose 3 rhetorical techniques that you might analyze for your next essay. Expert opinion, statistics, thesis statement, potentially personal experience or anecdotes, repetition. There's a whole list of them that I provide in learning activity number 5. Choose 3 of them, and those are the ones I want you to focus on for your analysis essay. Okay? You'll then submit that in learning activity number 5 Dropbox on Friday. Both of these learning activities are relatively short, but they are important to get you thinking about the next assignment in front of you. Okay, that's what this class is designed to do. It's to prepare you for the work you have to do in English 101 and to give you extra assistance so you succeed in that work in English 101. I'll have office hours on Wednesday. I'm happy to help out any way I can. Swing on by. The link is just above this video announcement. Have a great week. Take care.